Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Little Big Planet on PC. Since Little Big Planet was originally a PlayStation 3 exclusive, playing it on your computer requires emulation. RPCS3 is the most prominent and effective emulator for PlayStation 3 games. To get started, you will need to download the RPCS3 emulator, acquire the official PlayStation 3 system software, and obtain your Little Big Planet game files. First, download the RPCS3 emulator from its official website, ensuring you get the correct version for your operating system. After extracting the files, launch RPCS3. Next, you must install the official PlayStation 3 system software. You can download this firmware from Sony's official PlayStation website and install it directly through RPCS3 file menu. Finally, adjust initial settings like the GPU renderer to Vulkan for better performance, if your system supports it. To play Little Big Planet, you need its game files. The recommended and legal method is to dump your own copy from a PlayStation 3 console. Once you have the game files, typically in a folder format, place them into the game's directory within your RPCS3 installation. After adding the game, launch RPCS3 and install any available game updates to version 1.21 or higher, and any desired downloadable content for improved compatibility and features. With the emulator and game set up, you can now launch Little Big Planet from your RPCS3 game list. For optimal performance, consider adjusting specific game configurations, such as setting SBU XFloat accuracy to approximate to prevent physics issues. Connect a compatible controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, and map its inputs within RPCS3 Pad's menu. Enjoy creating and playing in the imaginative world of Little Big Planet on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.